beautiful friends. This is the DIY composition book planner. I'm Sunshine Annie, and this is the beginning of May's spread. This is what I do for my calendar page. I tried to coordinate my colors with my color wheel and also coordinated my washi tapes with that. So this was this past week. Highlights of this week, we picked up our bees on Friday night. Actually, my husband picked them up, and we couldn't get all of our bees, so he had to go back today. So we are starting with some honeybees, and it's really exciting. I want to put a little bee here, but right now this isn't finished. So this is just the beginning part. This is for this next week, so starting tomorrow. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. Just so you know, with this color palette, sorry about that, that's my Crayola Sharp Super Tips. And I've used these colors. These are the blues. These are pretty much the pinks and this peach color. And then my greens coordinate in the stems and in the vines that I drew. And then this is the yellow for here. I tried to coordinate a washi tape that I had from Hobby Lobby. So this is what this is looking like for this next week. So just to get going, Mother's Day is tomorrow. It is also my son's birthday. And we'll be having a cookout tomorrow. Monday, regular work day. Tuesday, regular work day. 15th is our early release. And I believe we are having a oh my gosh, a concert. The spring concert, I think, is the 15th. I can't remember for sure. And that's pretty much what I have so far for this week. I do believe we have some other things going on. My husband does is doing a bus run on Thursday after school for the sports team. And I think there's something else going on, but I'm videoing and I can't look at my phone to check the other things. For my goals, I've always tried to make healthy eating choices. I also try to drink more water. And my other thing that I focus on is trying to be more active, getting more steps in. And my this year, I've been trying to focus on a healthy mindset. And a big part of that for me is doing art projects. And what I signed up for was an art class called Wanderlust 24. And it's been really interesting. Right now, the focus is on writing. And I write a lot anyway. I write in my planner. I write in another journal that I'm making. And yeah, I write a lot. Plus I have some like regular writing journals that I write in. And I like to write letters as well. So this is the spread for the next 2 weeks. I will be finishing this and putting this down on this side. I really love this color. I had to trim it because this side, when I do a middle section, it doesn't fit a full fat, well, these aren't the fattest you can get, but this is one of the wider ribbons that I use. So I trimmed it on this side, but I left it the full size on this side. I may add some gold in to go with this gold. I have Uniball pens, so I may add in some gold highlights throughout it, even across. So this is what it's looking like for May 12th through the 18th. Check back with me next Saturday, Sunday, and I will have this page show what I've written and update this side, and you'll get to see the total piece. Not quite finished because it won't have my writing in it, because to me, what this is about is writing. So yeah, I'll be adding that in during the week. So I look forward to seeing you next week, and I hope you have a great week this week. I hope we have some sunshine so we can all get outside. I think that's what I'm waiting for here. If you are a mother or a soon-to-be mother, happy Mother's Day. Sending out blessings to all the mothers. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend and a great week.